Class 11th Commerce, Subject Business Studies, Chapter number 2, Forms of Business Organizations, Lecture number 3rd. पहले इसको देख कितनी आई आवाज. And now I am starting another topic of partnership. See, another topic is limitations. Limitations of partnership. Move on to next slide. First number point of limitation of partnership, it is unlimited liability. The liability of the partners in a firm is unlimited. Partners are said to be individually or jointly liable. मीन्स वो अकेले भी लाइबल है और साथ में भी लाइबल है. लाइबल माने जिम्मेदार है. दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. दिस मीन्स दैट इन केस द एसेट्स ऑफ द फर्म आर इनसफिशिएंट टू सेटल द क्लेम अगेंस्ट इट. इट का माने है फर्म. The personal assets of the partners may be utilized for the same. Now try to understand. See, अगर पार्टनर्स की अपनी व्यापार की जो एसेट्स हैं, संपत्तियां हैं, if they are not sufficient, they are insufficient in settle down the claim. Claim means जो थर्ड पार्टी को हमें पैसा देना है. If the assets of the firm they are less, in that case the partners will have to sell. यूटिलाइज का मतलब है यहाँ पर कि वो अपनी खुद की एसेट्स को सेल कर देंगे. they will sell their own assets so that the claim against third parties or any other party they can pay their loans. सेकेंड नंबर, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्सेज होते हैं बेटे साधन. लिमिटेड माने सीमित, कम. द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट प्लेसेस अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन द नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स दैट मे रन अ फर्म. कॉन्सिक्वेंटली इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ फर्म टू रेज कैपिटल बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन लिमिट in order to finance its expansion plans. पार्टनरशिप एक्ट जो है बेटा वो थोड़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शन करना माने पाबंदी लगा देता है. किस चीज पर? नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स. मैक्सिमम दे शुड बी 50. द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट इट हैज पुट सम रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंड द रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज ऑन द नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स एंड दैट रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज अप टू फॉर 50 पार्टनर्स. They cannot be more than 50 that may run a firm. जो लोग व्यापार को चलाएंगे they should not be more than 50 or whatever is explained by the act. Consequently अब इसका क्या रिजल्ट निकलता है? It is difficult for a firm to raise capital beyond a certain limit. कि एक सर्टेन लिमिट से ज्यादा पैसा अरेंज नहीं कर पाता. If it is the partnership firm, in this listen what happens? Then they cannot go forward, they cannot expand their business plans क्योंकि resources are limited. This limited resources are less number of partners. This all has been explained by the Partnership Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932. Third number, possibility of conflicts. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है, आपस के लड़ाई झगड़े, मन मुटाव होना, भेदभाव होना, लाइक दिस. इन अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म द राइट टू डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड कंट्रोल शेयर्ड अमंग ऑल द पार्टनर्स. सी, when we discuss about the partnership firm, everything is shared, even the decision making, even the controlling system, everything it is shared. Sometimes there may be differences of opinions. भाई हमारे जो मन, जो हमारे मत है, जो हमारा ओपिनियन है, जो मेरी एक सलाह है, there can be the differences of opinion. among them, उन सब में अपने मतभेद हो सकते हैं. There can be differences of opinions which may not only lead to a delay in decision making, जिनसे देखिए खाली हमारा जो डिसीजन है वो तो लेट होगा ही होगा, बट ऑल्सो रिजल्टेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, आपस में मन मुटाव होंगे. भाई मिस्टर ए बोलेंगे मेरी बात आपने नहीं मानी, मिस्टर बी बोलेंगे आपने एक ही सारी बात मान ली. When there are conflicts, then how any place can do the progress? When the matter is of conflicts, then they will increase in case of partnership. Point number 4, lack of continuity. Partnership is not considered to be a very stable form of business organization. देखिए कॉन्टिन्यूटी तब होगी जब आपस में भेदभाव नहीं होगा, मतभेद नहीं होगा, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं होगा. पार्टनरशिप इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू स्टेबल माने स्थिर रहने वाला. पार्टनरशिप इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ वेरी स्टेबल फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन? सी, this is because the death, retirement, insolvency, insanity of any of the partner can bring the business to an end. It means if anybody retires तो बाकी लोग बोलेंगे अरे वो जा रहा है चलिए अब हम भी नहीं इकट्ठा होके काम करेंगे. Now we also will not be the part of partnership firm. It can be the reason death, it can be the reason insolvency, insanity माने दिमाग पागल हो जाना. These all are the reasons which can bring the business to an end. Point number 5, lack of public confidence. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है बेटे कि लोग आप पे भरोसा नहीं करते या कम करते हैं. Point number 5, lack of public confidence. It is generally believed that a partnership firm does not enjoy confidence of public. It means that the public, they do not show any type of confidence in them. And there are so many reasons. And it's working और उनके काम पे. It is generally believed that a partnership firm does not enjoy confidence of public and it's working. The outlook is based on the fact data firm is not expected to publish its books of accounts. This is the fact that जो data है, data firm is never published in newspaper as it happens with company. आउटलुक होता है बेटे नजरिया. द आउटलुक इज बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्ट डेटा फॉर्म इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड टू पब्लिश इट्स. जो देखिए जो उनका जो फॉर्म है, जो उनका रूप है पार्टनरशिप का, उसमें हम ये उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते कि जो हमारी बुक्स हैं, जो हमारे अकाउंट्स की बुक्स हैं, उनको हम पब्लिश करें. It is the rule of Indian Partnership Act 1932 because the partnership is governed by those rules only. According to that, they cannot publish their data. When the data is not published, then the company the public shows no confidence in them money in partnership. Hence, it can be very easily hide its true financial status from general public. Then what happens? See, if they are earning many crores, many lakhs, that can be hidden because there is nobody who can ask them, okay, please show your accounts. The public cannot demand. See, I hope that this point will be clear to you. Definitely. Point number 5, it is lack of public confidence. It is all explained. Now I am moving on to types of partners. See, for first point number 1, active partner. Listen, active partner तो नाम से ही क्लियर है बेटे कि वो बहुत एक्टिव होगा. He contributes capital towards the business, towards the firm he participates actively in the day to day management. वो सारे काम करेगा, मैनेजमेंट में भी पार्टिसिपेट करेगा. वॉट एवर हिज जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ही विल कंटिन्यू. एंड कंट्रोल्स द बिजनेस, और व्यापार को भी देखता है. ही कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स कैपिटल टूवर्ड्स द बिजनेस. ही पार्टिसिपेट्स एक्टिवली in the day-to-day management and controls the business. He shares profits and losses of the business in an agreed ratio. See, when we discuss about partnership, there remains partnership agreement. In that partnership agreement, listen what happens. There are so many rules, regulations which the partners they follow. So when the matter is of share, it means whatever is written in their partnership agreement, according to that agreement he will share profits or losses of the business in an agreed ratio. Agreed कहाँ पर होगा बेटे? ये होगा आपका partnership agreement में. His liability is unlimited. Unlimited means when the firm is in trouble, when the firm has no funds, he will have to sell his own property. His liability is unlimited with regards to creditors of the firm. यानी कि जो भी क्रेडिटर होते हैं बेटे, थर्ड पार्टी लोन देने के लिए that person has unlimited liability. Point number 2, sleeping or dormant है बेटा. ये सी sleeping or dormant partner. See, wait for 2 minutes. It is sleeping or dormant है बेटा. ये please listen. DORMANT, sleeping or dormant, not dominant. Sleeping or dormant partner. He contributes capital towards the business. He does not participate actively in the day-to-day management and control of the business. Listen. देखिए, स्लीपिंग पार्टनर नाम से ही बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि ये पार्टनर हर समय अपना काम ही नहीं करता होगा. द सेम इज हैपनिंग. ही कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स कैपिटल, बिल्कुल कैपिटल लगाता है. ही डज नॉट पार्टिसिपेट एक्टिवली, क्योंकि वो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर है. And whenever any partner joins the partnership firm, in that case it is made clear in the beginning कि कौन किस टाइप का पार्टनर होगा. सारे ही स्लीपिंग हो गए, then it will be very big trouble for the partnership firm. चलिए, he contributes capital towards the business. He does not participate actively in the day-to-day management and control of the business. He does not look management. He does not move on to the controlling of the business. He shares profits and losses of the business in an agreed ratio. And see, he has invested money. He has invested money in the name of capital. So whatever are the profits or losses, those will be shared in the agreed ratio. और agreement हमारा कहाँ पर था? It was in partnership agreement. Point number 3, secret partner. देखिए, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है एक ऐसा पार्टनर जो बिल्कुल सीक्रेट है. As the name suggests, the identity of the partner is not disclosed to outsiders. यानी कि हमने उसको पार्टनर तो बना लिया, लेकिन हम लोगों को नहीं बताएंगे कि that person is our partner. He contributes capital towards the business. He participates actively in the day-to-day management and controls the business. देखिए, सीक्रेट पार्टनर है, बिल्कुल वो पैसा लगाएगा, एंड आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग मनी ही कैन टेक द पार्ट इन मैनेजमेंट, बट nobody will ever come to know that Mr. B is the partner because he is a secret partner. He works, उनको ये जरूर पता रहेगा वो काम करते हैं, लेकिन किसके लिए काम करते हैं ये पता नहीं चलेगा. He participates actively in the day-to-day management and controls the business. He shares the profits and losses of the business in an agreed ratio. जो हमारा एग्रीमेंट होगा वो होगा पार्टनरशिप डीड में. इट इज पार्टनरशिप डीड वेयर ऑल द एग्रीमेंट्स आर डन. His liability is unlimited with regard to creditors of the firm. It means कि जो भी पैसे का लेना देना रहेगा he will be the liable person. बिल्कुल वो जिम्मेदार होगा. It is third number variety of the partners. It is secret partner. Point number 4, nominal partner. देखिए नॉमिनल पार्टनर का मतलब है कि उसने अपने नाम का इस्तेमाल होने की परमिशन दे दी है कि हाँ यू कैन से कि वो हमारे पार्टनर है. ही लैंड्स हिज नेम टू द बिजनेस. अपने नाम की परमिशन दैट पार्टनर हैज गिवन, दैट पर्सन हैज गिवन. ही डज नॉट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट कैपिटल. इट इज नॉट इक्वल, इट इज कैपिटल. ही डज नॉट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट कैपिटल टूवर्ड्स द बिजनेस. वो व्यापार में पैसा नहीं लगाते. ही डज नॉट एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट इन द डे टू डे मैनेजमेंट. He does not take active part in day-to-day management, and the reason is that he has allowed only his name to be used. But in reality, he is not a partner. He does not actively participate in the day-to-day management and control of the business. He does not share the profits and losses of the business. And see, what is the reason? Reason is that he has not contributed any money. When he has not contributed any money, in that case, how can he ask for the profits or loss? His liability is unlimited. Again, भाई जब आपने अपना उसने नाम ही आपको इस्तेमाल करने दे दिया है, then he can never be free. वो फ्री है ही नहीं. His liability will remain definitely unlimited. Because the people know that that person is your partner, and many persons can take so many decisions on the name of that nominal partner. Then he can never be free. His liability is always unlimited. With regard to creditors of the firm, means he is always responsible for the payment of third party. Listen now, let us move on to next slide. Partner by estoppel, fifth number point. अभी देखिए, अब ये बिहेव से ऐसे शो करेगा जैसे कि वो पार्टनर है, असलियत में वो पार्टनर नहीं है. पार्टनर बाय एस्टोपल. अ पर्सन इज सेड टू बी अ पार्टनर बाय एस्टोपल इफ ही थ्रू हिज ओन इनिशिएटिव और कंडक्ट or behavior gives an impression to others that he is a partner of the firm. As I explained you in the beginning of point number 5, कि ये इंसान वो है जो आपको अपने बिहेव से ये सोचने पर मजबूर कर देगा कि दैट ही इज द पार्टनर, एंड इन रियलिटी इज नॉट द पार्टनर. नाउ सी पॉइंट नंबर 5, पार्टनर बाय एस्टोपल. A person is said to be a partner by estoppel if he, through his own initiative, conduct, or behavior, gives an impression to others that he is a partner of the firm. Listen, in reality, he is not partner. He is only giving impression through his conduct, behavior that he is a partner. He does not contribute capital towards the business. Just only he shows as if he is a partner. In reality, he is not a partner. He has not contributed any capital towards the business. It is point number 5, partner by estoppel. He does not participate actively in the day-to-day management and control of the business. He does not share the profits and losses of the business. But listen, it is very interesting. His liability is unlimited with regard to the creditors of the firm. क्योंकि उसने अपने बिहेव से ये दिखाया कि जी देखो मैं तो यहाँ का पार्टनर हूँ, and in reality he knows that he is not a partner. So he can never feel free. He is always liable to pay the money to the creditors of the firm. Now move on to types of partnership. फर्स्ट नंबर पॉइंट, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्यूरेशन, वक्त के हिसाब से। देखिए, पार्टनरशिप कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, नेमली फर्स्ट नंबर कैटेगरी पार्टनरशिप एट विल, सेकेंड नंबर कैटेगरी पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप. Point number 1, I have told you, this is the basis or on the basis of duration. Partnership can be divided into two categories, namely first number point partnership at will, second number point particular partnership. Second number, on the basis of liability partnership. This type of partnership is divided into two types. अब इसमें देखिए दो टाइप कौन से हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर इट इज जनरल पार्टनरशिप, सेकेंड नंबर इट इज लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप. ऑन इट इज, सी दिस इज द बेसिस ऑफ लाइबिलिटी. लाइबिलिटी पर जो हम लाइबिलिटी का बेस हमने लिया है, उसमें देयर आर टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज जनरल पार्टनरशिप एंड सेकेंड इज लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप. Now move on to next topic, that is classification of partnership on the basis of duration. First number, partnership at will. The name suggests this type of partnership exists on the will of the partner. इच्छा पर, will होती है बेटे मर्जी, इच्छा. Consequently, it comes to an end as and when one or more partners express their desire to dissolve. Dissolve माने पार्टनरशिप को एंड कर देना, व्यापार को खत्म कर देना. Express their desire to dissolve it by giving a notice. See, this is the partnership at will, and when the partnership firm is formed, in that case it is decided, यानी कि ये हमने पहले ही डिसाइड किया हुआ है कि जो हमारी पार्टनरशिप है that is at will. Consequently, when any partner shows his disinterest, no, now I don't want to be the partner, in that case one notice can be given to partnership firm to other partners and he can leave the firm. For example, Reena and Leena, friends, they are the common friends and they have common interest, but does not opinion about Leena's temperament mane. Therefore, when Leena extends partnership business proposal to her, Reena is little apprehensive. Listen, कि व्यापार को आगे बढ़ाने का जो लीना का डिसीजन था वो रीना को नहीं अच्छा लगा. Mutually they decided to start the business. See, when business was started, in that case all the decisions were taken mutually with the condition that it can be terminated. और उन्होंने पहले डिसाइड किया था that the business will be terminated whenever either of the partner wishes to do so, कि जब भी चाहे पार्टनर व्यापार को छोड़ के जा सकता है. Point number 2, particular partnership. In certain cases a partnership is formed for a fixed duration of time. You can say 2 years, 5 years, or so on and so on. Yeah, or so on, it is all same. Also, individual or firms get into partnership agreement for pursuing a specific project. Listen, क्योंकि हमने बोला है ना बेटा particular partnership, then they are pursuing a specific project. In both the above cases, the partnership gets automatically terminated either on the completion of a stipulated time for completion of the project, as the case may be. Listen, पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप, जैसे मान लीजिए हम सब ने मिलकर के पार्टनरशिप बनाया कि चलिए वी विल जस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट वन हॉस्पिटल. After the construction, when the hospital is made ready, after that then we are not partners. It is particular partnership. In particular partnership, as soon as the desired object is completed, along with that the partnership is also terminated. For example, Sarah and Aryan, they wish to start a law firm jointly. However, Tara shares with Aryan that she has plans to go abroad after 3 years to pursue a master course in law. Therefore, their partnership can exist only for 3 years. Aryan agrees with Sarah. इसमें देखिए मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया है कि आर्यन और सारा दोनों एक फर्म स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, लॉ फर्म जॉइंटली. But Tara has explained to Aryan in advance that after some years she will go in some other country or in India or whatever to pursue a master course in law. And therefore their partnership can exist only for 3 years. Everything was told to Aryan. Then Aryan said it is all okay, we can be the partners. Now move on to classification of partnership on the basis of ability. First number, it is general partnership. The liability of partnership is unlimited and joint. It is unlimited and joint. All partners enjoy the right to participate in the management of the firm, and their acts are binding on each other as well as on the firm. The registration of partnership firm is not compulsory. The partnership comes to an end on the death or retirement or lunacy or insolvency of the partner. Then it is limited partnership. The liability of all the partners is limited except one of them, whose liability will remain unlimited. The partners whose liability is limited do not have the right to manage and control the business. Also, their acts are not binding on other partners or the firm. ना तो वो फर्म को बांध रहे हैं, ना ही अदर पार्टनर्स को बांध रहे हैं. The registration of the partnership firm is compulsory. The partnership does not get terminated on the death, lunacy, retirement or death of the partner. Partnership deed. Partnership business can be brought into existence through an agreement among the people who are desirous of setting a partnership firm. Although it is not compulsory to have a written agreement. See, it is not compulsory to have a written agreement, but हम अपने शब्दों से मुकर सकते हैं. जो हमने कहा बिल्कुल हम कह सकते हैं कि हमने तो ये कहा ही नहीं था. In that case, see what is advisable, but it is always advisable to do so. To do so माने कि written agreement आपको करना चाहिए. This is because it is quite likely that over a time the partners forget the terms and conditions on which the business was formed. See, हर समय हर घड़ी हर पल हर चीज याद नहीं रहती. So it is better if the partnership deed it is in written form. In order to avoid any such situation of conflict or disputes at a later stage, a partnership deed is prepared. देखिए, पार्टनरशिप डीड को हमने रिटर्न में तैयार करना है, बोल के कह के तैयार नहीं करना. वट एवर इज स्पोकन बाय एनीबडी इट कैन बी वेरी इजिली डिनाइड. द पार्टनरशिप डीड सर्व्स as an evidence of partnership. See, पार्टनरशिप डीड है बेटा, वो एक प्रूफ है, एक एविडेंस है पार्टनरशिप का क्योंकि हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये तो हमने लिखा ही नहीं था. वट एवर इज रिटन दैट कैन नेवर बी डिनाइड. पार्टनरशिप डीड इज अ रिटन अग्रीमेंट with the terms and conditions that govern the partnership. It generally requires, see, अब वो चीजें चलेंगी जो हमें पीडी में चाहिए. पीडी माने पार्टनरशिप डीड. फर्स्ट नंबर नेम ऑफ द फर्म, सेकेंड नंबर नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस एंड लोकेशन ऑफ बिजनेस, थर्ड नंबर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द बिजनेस, फोर्थ नंबर इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड बाय ईच पार्टनर, fifth number distribution of profit or losses, profit and losses, sixth number duties and obligations of the partners, seventh number salaries and the withdrawals partners. see, salary और withdrawing हमारा कितना रहेगा, that also will be written. eighth number term governing admission, retirement and expulsion of the partner. 9 number interest on capital and interest on drawings. 10th number procedure for dissolution of the firm. 11 number preparation of accounts and their auditing. 12th number method of solving disputes. Now move on to registration of partnership. In order to bring a partnership business into existence, it is not compulsory to register it. However, it is advisable to get the business firm registered, keeping in view the implications of non-registration of a partnership firm. See, now it has been explained. Registration of partnership. It is advisable to get the business firm registered. It is very much important. The three main consequences of non-registration of a partnership firm, they are stated as below. Point number 1. Partner of a registered firm cannot file a suit against the firm or other partners. It means केस नहीं कर सकता. See, पार्टनर जो अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म का पार्टनर है, अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म का, वो केस नहीं कर सकता. Point number 2, the firm cannot file a suit against third party. Point number 3, it was point number 2, the firm cannot file a suit against third party. Point number 3, the firm cannot file case against partners. Point number 1 एक बार फिर से सुन लो बेटे. It is partner of unregistered, not an. It is unregistered firm. It is not an registered. ध्यान से सुनिए, ये अनरजिस्टर्ड है. पॉइंट नंबर 1, पार्टनर ऑफ अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल अ सूट अगेंस्ट द फर्म और अदर पार्टनर्स. लिसन टू योर होमवर्क and see, it is your mandatory duty, it is your liability to do your work and then email it to me. Write and learn today's topic. See, whatever is done today, that all you have to write. और काम से जी ना चुराएं, मेहनत से काम करें. ईमेल आईडी sadhana sadhna sadhana 1163 @gmail.com. Mail your homework by 2 p.m. daily. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.